Let's get started with math. Let's talk about our learning targets. I understand that two-digit numbers are made up of tens and ones so that I can decompose a two-digit number into tens and ones. I am successful when I can decompose a two-digit number into tens and ones using base 10 models. Let's do some DJ count. Then we will come back to our presentation. Good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to look at a little video by Number Rock talking about place value. That fun. Let's talk about some vocabulary. Place value is where numbers are placed in a two-digit number or numbers with more digits. For example, if we look here at the number 23, we have 2 tens and 3 ones. Tens and ones. If we look here, we've got 2 tens rods and 3 ones units. Let's get started. Here, boys and girls, we have the number 6. I want you to look at 6 and tell me, how many tens and how many ones? Does it look like we have any tens here? That's right, we don't. But how many ones do we have? Very good, 6. So let's take our ones units and bring them over to the ones place. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Let's keep going. What number is this? Very good, 10. What number is this? That's right, 10. Let's go on ahead and bring 10 ones out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my goodness, wait a minute, boys and girls. The number 10 is in the word tens place. Let's replace these 10 ones with just one tens rod. Let me take this guy out of here. And we're gonna just move him over. We're gonna just move him over if he's willing to go. That's so silly. Look at him. He doesn't want to go. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. We're gonna take him out. And, oh, it hurt my page. There we go. All right, and we're gonna take this tens rod and put it here. Why is that? Well, let's look at our map. If we have a T-chart for tens and ones, how many tens do we have? That's right. Very good, boys and girls. And how many ones? That's right, 0. We have 1 10 and 0 ones. Great job. Let's keep going. What number is this? Very good, 12. Let's make a T-chart, a tens and ones T-chart, tens and ones. How many ones do we have? Right here. How many ones? That's right, 2. 1, 2. And how many tens? Very good. 1 10. 1 10, 2 ones. Very good. Assignment today, you are going to cut out your tens and ones that were given to you in your superhero pack, and you are going to use those tens and ones to make numbers 1 through 5. I'm going to be looking to see if they're in CTLS. Have fun.